ito po ay isang English speaking student. How old are you?
6.
Sana
6
all.
years old?
Yes,
Okay. You speak Tagalog?
English.
English only? Yeah, okay. Ikaw na mag English. So ako na ang mag-Tagalog. Ako ang Tagalog, English Tagalog ko, ikaw speaking English, okay? Bakit wala kayong klase ngayon? Walang klase, bakit walang klase? Your English?
I grade 1.
Why? Bakit walang klase ngayon?
What?
Sabihin mo.
I don't know what that means.
Nga nung wala may klase?
But my teacher not finished with the assignment. Not finished with the assignment.
Assignment.
Yeah, not finished the assignment.
Your finish assignment.
No, not that. I mean, my teacher not finished the assignment, so it's only me.
Only me.
So, din naman klase. Hapon.
Ikaw ba ay nakatap ka ba sa school ninyo?
What? I was the first to be blind. Yeah, I know.
Top 1? Your top 1?
Yeah, I know plus and minus, so I was the first plus and minus.
Plus and minus.
Yeah, I really.
Your nakatap ka sa math?
Yeah, math.
Math?
Yeah, math. Yeah.
Math and English.
No, math and really basa. Basa. My basa is as really 1, 2, 3. I don't know the basa, so I went really my teacher went 3. I don't know the basa. Yeah, that's
So, anong grade mo na ngayon?
grade 1.
Grade 1 student.
Yeah.
You're grade 1. So, next year, grade 2.
No.
Grade 1.
Yeah.
So,
Tomorrow I don't
are your daycare for now? Ikaw ang so daycare ka ngayon, daycare ka.
Also I ballet dancer.
Your dance?
Yeah, I know how to really like it.
What is your full name? Your full name? What is your name?
You.